Hi, I'm Cara and I need a haircut.
Hi, I'm Jay and I like playing with foamy stuff.
Hi, I'm Jenna and I upgraded.
Hi, I'm Ball. I'm the upgrade.
And welcome to A Crafty Odyssey. Fuck me.
See, they can't help it. They just laugh.
It's alright. That was good.
Today we're making slime. And I'm doing glitter slime. Because I just sparkled.
I'm doing bubblegum slime, so hopefully if this works I'll be able to blow a bubble.
We didn't even introduce Paul.
He
I
said
don't need an
I'm
introduction.
upgrade. He's my upgrade.
I'm making slime with these three.
Chris is off fondling balls somewhere. Maybe just shooting bows and arrows. I don't know, some shit.
So we have our friend Paul coming in to stand in for Chris.
Or sit in.
Or sit in for Chris. But today we're making 4 different types of slime. There's a lot of chemicals involved, so kids, if you're, I don't know why kids would watch this, but kids, if you're watching,
Mummy and Daddy for help.
yeah, because the borax stuff that's in there is very dangerous, and if you drink it, you might never have kids.
Or you just might not live.
Or you might not live. So,
Become one with the glitter.
I'm making fluffy slime.
Photoshop in like the hazard symbol, like biohazard.
And put it over Paul's face.
Yeah. Where's the borax actually? So I know what not to
In a
drink.
red bowl.
Okay. Don't drink the red stuff.
Yeah, don't drink the red stuff.
All right.
Got it.
So, what are you making?
Bubblegum slime.
Can we start?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm in.
Crap. Okay.
I'm measuring because I'm not good.
I'm just gonna hope for the best.
1 cup of PVA glue, so I
Oh,
can use this whole
can't I
fucking
just use
thing.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's
it's
125 mils.
Yeah, it's only halfway
Okay.
in. Yeah.
I've got the foamy slime.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
1 cup of
Easy.
PVA glue.
1 cup of 1 cup of squirting vagina.
It sounded.
Oh,
bad.
I've got glue all over my hands already.
Mine's gonna be done first because mine literally has like 3 steps.
So take your time with it.
Oh, there's steps? I only read the instructions.
There's
Fuck.
a method. Okay.
Ah, it's like putting like that mint on your hands, like toothpaste.
Can I have the blue food coloring?
Ah! Ah!
I can't tell if this is half actually.
Ah!
It's alright, just guesstimate.
I think it's under the foam balls.
This glue smells good.
Don't.
Sniff the glue, kids.
Okay, Jen, I need your eyes. Is that roughly about half?
Oh wow.
No,
No,
it's
it's
like
less.
3/4.
More.
Wow, that really does.
It's really gluey. Mix together water and glue. Add glitter. Be generous.
That sounds like my ass first thing in the morning.
Ah! Can I listen? Add glitter. Be generous. It's in the instructions to be generous.
Use this whole packet.
Well, it will be glittery.
I need liquid starch.
That's the borax.
How much?
How much does
Does
the
it not
recipe
say?
say?
It says add liquid starch.
Read the
The ingredients.
ingredients at the top.
Half a cup.
There you go.
Okay.
There's a 1 cup measurement right there, so if you want to fill it halfway, then you're good.
Okay. I don't want to lose this. I'm gonna lose the spoon, aren't I? Okay. Never mind.
Okay, I need 1 cup.
Borax.
But I need to go slowly.
Add PVA glue and food colouring to a bowl. Where the fuck's the food colouring?
So do I just pour like that or?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I got all the colours.
With starch.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Question: are we supposed to be mixing with a spoon or with our hands?
Either. It doesn't
Either.
really matter.
Okay. So the borax is not dangerous to my hands.
You can touch it.
It
Okay.
just
Good.
causes fertility issues in your hands.
Well, that's
Add
fine.
shaving cream and mix slowly.
Oh no! That's not right.
That's not normal.
No, that's the type of feels that you go, Mom, I had that dream again.
I guarantee this isn't going to work.
Well, it's technically. Ah,
Doesn't look like it did online. I feel like Jay's is going to be the only one that works.
I'll gently
Have you
sort
seen
of
mine?
massage.
Maybe too much
You put
glitter.
liquid starch in.
Yeah, I put liquid starch in.
It is
put enough.
drowning in the liquid
Yeah, I
stuff.
put a half a cup.
Maybe put a bit more in.
I don't know.
Jay.
looked online.
What's up?
Help me add the borax.
I'll just go bit by bit.
Well, it's supposed to be 5 tablespoons altogether.
Infertility mix.
I'll just go bit by bit.
And
You'll know
not
when it's good.
consume.
Can I try again?
Well, there's enough glue, so you just, yeah.
I'm just gonna.
Maybe this time don't put that extra water in.
Yeah, I
and
thought
see
about
what
just putting the
happens.
starch in.
I didn't even add water at all.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yours
Yeah.
is just the starch.
Starch and glue. I only did starch and glue.
Yeah, that's what I did too, and mine is like soup.
No, look, this is mine right now. That's mine.
See, that itself looks fine.
That's
I'm
because
so
I'm
confused.
I'm slowly working out all the glue.
Yeah, maybe there was just too much glitter in that.
I don't think so, because it wasn't going together before I put the
Yeah.
glitter in.
That's weird.
Can I
don't
use
know,
half a
see
cup
my
of
bit.
this?
Yeah.
I think I need more.
I'm scratching it a little too much. Fold you over. Fold. Don't pop at me. I guess.
Yeah, that feels so much better.
The consistency on this. I like it.
Yeah, see, Jay's one came up good.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, what happened to the remaining borax? Like, I've still got like a good
I have
amount
none
of
left in my
slosh.
bowl.
Yeah, that's what it should be like.
Okay.
There should be nothing in the bowl.
I think that looks a bit better.
Yeah.
I mixed the two together.
Yeah, that looks like
Because it's not too bad, feel it.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Because it says it's going to be
It's
firm anyway.
Yeah, so that's definitely about as firm as I'd say.
It could be that we've just gotten the ratios wrong.
Smell it.
I'll agree on that with the
Oh,
ratios.
Dolly, smell that. Want to sniff?
It's like straight petrol.
I'm sniffing this for days.
You right, Paul?
I think the whiff you took was too big.
Oh! Okay, nail polish remover.
Yeah, that's kind of what it
If you
smells like.
literally splashed it over your nose and drank a bit.
You got to put your fluffies in.
Oh yeah.
I think you got to remove the water.
Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
If you want to lift it up,
I'm using the borax to, make the rest of the glue kind of settle. Right now, I just added more PVA glue, so I've got to work it again.
yeah, I've heard mine.
That's
It just turned out alright.
yeah, it did.
Because it's supposed to be firm, so
I think maybe the amount of stars might have
And
fucked it up.
star.
possible. I don't know.
No, because when I put the water in, it was exactly how it was. But as soon as I put the starch in, it started turning out like slime. So I don't think you need that extra water.
This looks so much like the galaxy stuff that they do.
Yeah.
I do
This
not,
one smells
I
good.
do
It
not
smells
want
like
to
shaving
sniff
I'm
cream.
gonna touch that one. Oh, I'm gonna get glitter in it though.
It's alright.
Oh wow, I like this one.
No, that's
Paul,
not
feel it.
That's weird.
But it smells like shaving cream and it's so nice.
That was weird.
And I love the fluffy
You get the
slime.
stars.
Doesn't matter.
It's a good way to get the stars off my fingers.
It sounds like cellulite. That's what it sounds like.
It feels like what's under my skin.
Just
Yeah.
pump it straight in. Just pump it right
Yeah.
in now.
Just, injection.
I think it turned out well, my slime, when I did something different.
Yeah.
It's a shame that bubblegum slime really
I
didn't
know.
work.
I might have to just fiddle with this recipe and see if I can get it to work.
Yeah.
I'm really happy.
I
I'd
don't
play
know.
with that all day. I reckon if you left it... Do you reckon it'll dry, though?
No, they don't dry.
I think if you put it in a sandwich bag, it'd be fine.
Now,
Yeah. As many as you want.
Just fuck
Pour
it
the whole
up.
thing in.
Yeah, we've never made these recipes before, so it's just like a first trial and error.
Ooh.
I'm gonna fucking...
Ew.
Oh well.
The stars just fall out.
So I'm supposed to knead these balls in.
Into
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, mix it all in.
It's kind of hard because it just...
Just stick it to it.
It's,
You gotta get in there. Pull it
Just
apart.
flatten it out and then put some in the middle and fold it in.
yeah, that's what I got it. Oh, it broke.
That's alright.
Is it supposed to break?
It'll go back together.
It will.
Yeah.
You should.
That's just it. It kind of tears and... It's getting
This one tears. Look.
Oh, okay.
And then just...
That sounded so weird. I like it.
I'm going to do like an ASMR thing right now. I'm going to bring it up to the camera and I'm going to let you guys hear it. Guys, ready? I'm just going to do like an ASMR thing.
Oh.
That sounds like my ass.
You want to give that a shot?
It's really...
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get it in.
Bloody hell.
I think yours is the other one that worked out, but mine kind
Yours
of...
isn't too bad.
It's not too bad. I
Yeah.
don't like the colour of it though.
Yeah, why did it go so black?
The glitter. That was great.
It's not too bad. I reckon you could put balls in this one. Why don't I put balls in this one?
Paul, you want to touch mine?
It feels so.
Oh no, that don't
It
feel
just feels
right.
like cellulite, doesn't it? Yeah, it's like you're smacking an ass.
I almost threw it.
It's the only one that...
It's light and fluffy.
Oh god.
The balls don't go in anything. They just stick out like sore thumbs.
I wonder if the balls are going my one.
Probably.
Your secrets.
But do you want to risk ruining it?
Well, what else are we going to use it for?
That feels real nice to slap. You know?
I want to hit Cara with it.
No! Put some glitter in it.
I want to hit you with it first. Let me sausage
Why
slap
does
you.
it smell so nice?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Oh, okay.
Ow.
Does that work?
A little. They're in there, but they don't stick. They just pop out.
Yeah, I don't get that. Like, you got to get a lot of them on your hands. Okay, I get this one. It's spiky when the. Oh no, these are going to be permanently adhered to my hand now.
As soon as I do this, glue goes everywhere.
Confetti! It's a hooray! Oh, slime confetti!
It's in my hair. It's in my hair.
We made confetti! This is the best slime ever!
Oh, it's all in your hair!
We made confetti slime!
Save me, Mom!
New recipe!
It's not glitter slime, it's confetti slime! Nobody take our idea, we invented it! Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We had lots of fun.
It was so much fun, even though we failed.
We thank you, Paul, for being our guest this week.
Welcome.
There'll be another video coming up
With Paul!
with Paul again on Thursday. So thank you guys for watching.
Thanks!
And as always, thanks for joining us on our crafting odyssey.
Bye!